Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to move your documents, downloads and desktop folders to different drivers that are attached or installed on your Windows 11 guys. Let's jump straight into it. For that opens up the file explorer and I show you guys. For example, you just wanted to move the downloads folder to any other drives in here. Just want to do it, right click on the download and go to properties and go to location tab, and here is the option guys. You just can move this folder to any other drives or any other folders. You can move it to other drives as well, and you just want to select the folder and that will be attached to the drive, and that will be stored that drive guys. You can move that downloads to other drives. That's it guys. For example, I am doing another thing, documents or pictures or desktop. You have so many things in desktop, you just want to move it. For that you just want to right click the desktop and go to properties and go to location tab over here, and you just want to click on move, click on it, and here you just can uh, move whatever you want it, folder or anything else in these drives. Just want to select the drives and select folder, and that's it guys for today's video. Now you should good to go. That's it guys for today's video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.